Verifying your bank account on GoTranscript is an essential process to ensure you receive payments smoothly. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Log into your GoTranscript account. Access your GoTranscript account by entering your credentials on the website. Make sure you have your login information ready. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the Payment Settings section of your account. This is typically found in your Profile or Account Settings menu. Step 3. Enter bank account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit verification documents. After entering your bank details, you may need to submit additional documents for verification. This could include a bank statement or a voided check. Follow the prompts to upload these documents. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once you have submitted your bank account information and documents, wait for GoTranscript to review and confirm your account. This process may take a few days, so check your email for updates. After completing these steps, your bank account should be verified, allowing you to receive payments without any issues. If you encounter any problems, consider reaching out to GoTranscript support for assistance.